pleasure to be here.
Thank you, sir. I'm also very confident, as you see from your attitude, this was young, the age to pray with my friend. We wanted this. So every aspect. Yes. Actually portray an image of actual flowers that would grow here in the Middle East. This was the idea of the British artist in Africa, James Kevin. Kevin had the idea what the floral designs that would also when we get close. They're part of the system called the Lunar Lighting System. Exactly. Single piece. Wall and as it gets old, it's getting better. Because it's wool and cotton. Naturally,
It won't wear off.
no.
How is it brought?
It was originally made in 9 separate pieces for that exact job, gallery design in the middle parts of the carbon. The ones on either side, though, they both weigh a total of 8 Italian Murano glass, which is studded with Swarovski crystals. The total amount of Swarovski crystals that we use for all of the chandelier, a total of 40 million. In the middle, we can see the mihrab niche. Now, the design of the niche itself is actually inspired from a bird. And this is what makes this hall quite special. All of the flowers and the floral designs that you see are inspired from flowers that grow here in the Middle East.